take the vocals down, we can hear only the instrumental of this song. So this is wonderful. There's no stress. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get any instrumental from any song for free in just a couple of minutes. So stick back, let's get to it. In a quick context, there are three things people always ask me. One is, can I get any instrumental from a finished track? Second is, will it sound good enough? And the third is if they need any fancy software. And I have short answers. It goes like yes, yes, and no. Yes, you can get any instrumental from any song. Yes, it's going to sound good. And no, you need no fancy software. And I know so because I've done this for my own tracks and for many artists that I've worked for in the past. So today, I will show you the exact steps you can extract any instrumental from any song with just less than 7 clicks. Is that 7? Less than 7 clicks. So this is a before and after effects of a song that I just isolated the vocals from the instrumental. So I created an instrumental off from this track. So this was before I isolated the vocals. Here you can hear really clear that the vocals are being matched with the instrumental. They just the original WAV exported format of the song. And this was after I removed the vocal and created an original instrumental from the track. So let me show you how I do this. So I do this with a simple AI tool called AI Vocal Remover. So this tool will analyze the mix and separate vocals from everything else. It's not that perfect 100% of the time, but it's clean enough for remixes, live shows, licensing, and in most cases. So even if all you got is that MP3 on your phone, you can still get your instrumental work. So quick review here, we have to go to, let's do a quick one here. Should be, so we go to our desktop and we hit www.vocalremover.org. So this is the software. So all we have to do is to click on browse files. So I will use one of my songs here. For an example, let me use the exact song I played for you initially. So I'm going to use this song here. We upload that, allow it to upload. Takes less than 5 seconds to do this, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, and should be done by now. So yeah, we upload this and we allow this to process. It takes less than no time for this to be done. So after uploading, this is going to be processing. So we have to allow it and set a little kind of patience for this to process. So as you can see, this is already done. Now we have the music version and the vocal version of this track. So this AI literally kind of separated the vocal from the instrumental. So if I should raise the vocals, and kind of drop the music down and play this back, you can hear that we can. So this is just the vocal. This is just the vocal part of the song. So if I should raise the music up and take the vocals down, we can hear only the instrumental of this song. So this is wonderful. And sounding nice already. What I have to do here is after separating, then we go save and hit save. So we can literally download only the vocals or only the music. So if I should hit on the music, it's going to download only the instrumental. And if you hit on vocals, it's literally going to download only the vocals of the song. So this is very, very important. You will need your instrumental when you want to apply or when you want to pitch a song licensing, or maybe let's say you lost your data files on the studio and you need your instrumental for live performances, or you need to do some kind of acoustic version or remixes of your song. I think this too will help you. So there's really other videos on this channel that really helps artists on how to be outstanding as an indie artist. So do yourself a favor to watch other videos and learn one thing today. So subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.